Randy is restoring a 20 horsepower Model Type C tractor built by the International Harvester Company. On Randy's tractor, part of the rear axle housing has been broken and needs to be repaired. Randy brought the part to Jerry Applenap, who is an expert cast iron welder with over 30 years' experience. The first step is to heat the casting. The entire casting needs to be heated evenly, almost to the point where it is glowing red. Randy uses a large rosebud torch to heat the casting. You can see where the casting has been wire brushed and ground to prepare it for welding. After Randy gets the casting to the correct temperature, Jerry begins to weld. The welding is done using a small torch and a cast iron welding rod. Before each use, Jerry dips the rod in a mixture of cast iron dust and flux. This ensures that the welding rod bonds to the casting. Cast iron welding is more challenging than arc or MIG welding. With arc or MIG welding, the piece being welded does not need to be heated. But with cast iron welding, the entire part needs to be heated. If it isn't heated, as the weld cools, it can break the weld apart and even destroy the casting. As Jerry welds, the casting has to be continually heated. This process must be repeated several times until the weld is complete. When the weld is complete, it is placed in a bucket and covered with ashes. This allows the part to cool slower and limits the chance that the casting will break or crack as it cools. When the casting has cooled, the excess weld is ground off. Here, the finished part has been ground, ready to go back on the tractor.